Hello and welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are doing well. I'm going to share with you how I make my peanut butter soup and my konkonte. In my cooking pot, I'll be adding some water and I'll allow it to boil so that I'll go ahead with what I'm going to do. You are most welcome to this channel. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share this video so that others may benefit from watching. So this one is heated a bit, so I'm adding some peanut butter and I'll just give it a very gentle stir so that it becomes a smooth paste. This is how we prepare peanut butter soup in Tamale here. I have seen other videos whereby the peanut butter is dissolved before being placed on the fire. Whichever way you start the preparation of making your peanut butter is accepted, since the outcome is going to be the same. Over here in the north, peanut butter soup is one of our main soups that we like to cook. We use it to prepare brass soup. We also use it to make okra soup. So now I'm just adding some chili pepper, onion, garlic, tomatoes. And over here, my water is boiling. I'll fetch some aside. And then I'll stir my konkonte. In Tamale here, we are used to tuwo zafi. So at this point, I'll be adding some tomato paste to my peanut butter. And I'm just stirring it so that it dissolves well. After about 7 minutes of the peanut butter cooking, you can see some oil has started coming out. So at this point, I have just added some water and also I have added my fish in it. Whilst this is boiling, I'll go ahead to start to stir my konkonte. So you can see this spatula here, this wooden spatula, that is what I'm going to use to stir my konkonte. I have my konkonte here. This is made out of cassava. So I'm just going to pour it in the hot water and I'll keep on stirring till it becomes like tuwo zafi. So this is how it is now. I'll continuously stir it for about 5 minutes. In stirring kokonte or teaser, you have to beat it this way. We always do it this way so that the lumps in it can be broken down or can be dissolved. So at this point, I'm adding the hot water I reserved and I'm just going to do it gently so that it wouldn't splash on me. So I'll continuously stir it this way till everything comes together, and I'll stir it for another 5 minutes and my konkonte is ready. It is time for me to package it. So I have this plastic here. I'm going to package it in it. You can also just package it in your bowls. So I have finished with the packaging. I'm just going to turn to my soup to see how far it has cooked. So now I've just added some fish powder, stock cube and salt. I'll stir this too And I'll remove the tomato, the chili pepper, the garlic and onion and grind it. And I'll add it back into the soup. This is calabash nutmeg that I'm crushing. I'm just going to add the tomato, chili pepper, onion and garlic and grind it together. So after grinding, I'm just scooping everything into my soup. And I will let the soup boil for additional 7 minutes before I take it off from the fire. It's boiling now. So my soup too is ready. It is time for me to serve it. So I'm in my kitchen now. I'm serving my konkonte with my peanut butter soup. You can see how attractive my soup is. The taste too is so yummy. Please do try it and don't forget to come back to give your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful time. Bye.